Hi everyone, Mira Duandre back again with another edition of Dressing Well Wednesday. 3 tips in under 3 minutes to inspire everyday style. Well, Happy New Year. We made it to 2021. And today's topic is tied to New Year's resolutions and how you can use clothing and accessories to keep yours. So I thought what I would do is share 3 of my own intentions for 2021 and show you some of the clothes and accessories I'm hoping to use to help me feel better and more confident in the year ahead. So first up is about my professional wardrobe. This time of year, I love to wear jewel tones. The blue sweater I have on, the royal blue sweater I have on, these purples, these reds and pinks. Those are the types of colors that I like to wear in my professional life. And when I find one with a great neckline like this, it's easy to pop on many different earrings, different necklaces, and even like my readers and these pretty chains just look great against these neutral backgrounds. So tip number 1 is looking at your professional wardrobe if you're on Zoom a lot, and freshening up your tops so that you arrive more centered, more confident, and get back to the business at hand. Step number 2 is maybe you're somebody that wants to just feel a little better heading out to walk the dog, going to the grocery store, pushing a baby carriage. One of our secret weapons over the years has been these down parkers by the brand Uniqlo. And if you don't know about this brand, definitely Google it and learn a little more. These are their ultra lightweight down coats. They are a joy to put on. They keep you warm. And when you are in the grocery store, inside anywhere, they're not quite as hot as some of the alternatives. So upping your outerwear, adding a fresh hat. We love these hats with the pom-pom. Might be all you need to stay true to yourself, get out the door, walk, feel a little bit better, and again, just up your style game just a little bit. So that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, and this is really near and dear to my heart right now, is all about exercise. My biggest New Year's resolution is to be stronger, both in spirit, mind, and body. And I don't know about you, but I spent a lot of time sitting last year. So I have committed to a new exercise routine. And whenever I do something like that, I do refresh the area of my wardrobe that I need to support my new intention. So this jacket has been sitting around for a couple of years. I've actually never worn it. I love it, but I really never had taken the time to put it together. So when I do decide to update my exercise gear, I always use something as inspiration, and I grabbed this jacket this year and I bought these new workout pants, and then I took it a step further and bought some great new sneakers that tie the whole look together. So those are my 3 tips. They're about work style, grocery shopping style, and working out style, if that's something that is of interest to you. Tonight we have another awesome program over in our Facebook group. You have to be a member to attend. It's Beyond Dressing Well. If you're not a member, link in bio and it'll get you right in. But we've invited the amazing Coach D, Dareth Cass. She is the founder and owner of Fierce by Choice. And I'm going to go over to her gym tonight, meet with her. We'll be in mask, and she's going to walk me through a great 10-minute workout for any fitness level and be there to answer questions. She is a wealth of information. So if moving a little bit more in the new year, or even just being around happy people is of interest to you tonight, Dareth is not only an amazing fitness guru, she's also got more energy than I've ever met, and she's happy and committed, and she's so generous with her information and her time. So please join us if you're interested in that, and I promise you'll leave inspired to at least get up off your chair and walk around the house a little bit more. So that's tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in our Facebook group. So that's it for this first edition of Dressing Well Wednesday in the new year. I hope 1 or 2 of these ideas triggered something in your mind, in your head, get you in your closet looking at things a little differently, and getting the new year off on the right foot for all of you. So I'll see you next week. Have a great rest of the day Wednesday. See you later. Bye-bye.